Chapter 1: All Living and Education. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971. In Pretoria, South Africa, Elon Musk was the oldest of 3 children, with his brother Kimball and sister Tosca following a few years later. His parents, Maye and Errol Musk, were of Swiss, Canadian, and British descent. Maye was a successful model and dietitian, while Errol was an engineer with an electromechanical engineering business. Growing up in Pretoria, Elon developed a passion for reading and technology at a young age. By the time he was 10, he had taught himself how to code using a personal computer. This early interest in technology shaped Elon's future as an entrepreneur. Often seen with a book in hand, Elon was engrossed in science fiction novels that fueled his fascination with space and exploration. Despite facing bullying in school due to his introverted nature and love for books, Elon remained dedicated to learning and exploring new ideas. His parents' divorce at the age of 9 brought challenges, and he primarily lived with his father, with whom the relationship was strained. However, Elon continued to focus on his education and personal interests. At 12, Elon created a simple computer game called Blaster, selling it for $500 to a computer magazine. These formative years in South Africa laid the foundation for the ambitious entrepreneur he would become. Elon's passion for technology, space, and innovation grew stronger. As Elon Musk grew older, he envisioned a future beyond South Africa. In 1989, at 17, he moved to Canada, obtaining dual citizenship through his Canadian-born mother. Elon attended Queen's University, where he met his first wife, Justine Wilson. Working various part-time jobs to support himself, Elon's ambition led him to transfer to the University of Pennsylvania in 1995. At UPenn, Elon pursued a dual degree in physics and economics, laying the academic groundwork for his future entrepreneurship. His move to North America marked a turning point, providing access to opportunities that set the stage for his groundbreaking endeavors. Elon Musk's pursuit of higher education at Queen's University and UPenn prepared him for the remarkable achievements in technology and entrepreneurship that followed. Chapter 2: Genesis of an Entrepreneur. In 1995, after finishing his studies at the University of Pennsylvania, Elon Musk made a big decision. Instead of pursuing a PhD in applied physics at Stanford University, he chose to enter the world of entrepreneurship. He launched his first company, Zip2 Corporation, with his brother Kimball in Palo Alto, California, at the beginning of the internet age. Zip2 aimed to provide local businesses with an online presence through a web-based directory service, including maps and door-to-door directions. Elon and Kimball faced challenges in the early stages, using personal savings as initial capital. Elon's technical expertise played a crucial role in developing Zip2's software, while Kimball handled sales and marketing. Despite obstacles and skepticism, Zip2 gained traction, attracting the attention of venture capital firms. In 1996, the company secured a $3 million investment from David O. Ventures. Zip2 expanded its services, forming partnerships with major newspapers and media companies. In 1999, Compaq acquired Zip2 for $307 million, and Elon's share was around $22 million. This success marked the beginning of Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey. After Zip2's sale, Elon Musk didn't stop. He ventured into the online financial services industry with a new company, X.com, founded in 1999. X.com aimed to revolutionize online financial transactions. In 2000, X.com acquired a startup called Confinity, which developed the digital payment platform PayPal. Under Elon's leadership, X.com shifted focus to PayPal, recognizing its potential. The company continued to innovate, introducing features like email-based payments. In 2001, X.com officially became PayPal. The ability to send money via email became one of PayPal's groundbreaking features. In 2002, eBay acquired PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock, making Elon Musk the largest shareholder. The creation and success of PayPal marked a milestone in Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey, showcasing his vision and determination to transform online payments. Today, PayPal remains a dominant player in the online payment industry, with Elon Musk's early involvement contributing to its success. His entrepreneurial spirit continues to inspire others in the technology and business world. Chapter 3: Spacex and the Dream of Mars. After finding success with PayPal, Elon Musk focused on a big project, exploring space. He was really interested in space travel and believed that for humans to survive, we needed to live on more than one planet. So, in 2002, he started a company called Space Exploration Technologies Corp., or SpaceX. His dream as a kid of making Mars a place for people to live became his main goal. At first, SpaceX wanted to make rockets that were cheap and could be used again. The idea was to make space travel less expensive and to make living on Mars something that could actually happen. Musk put a lot of his own money from selling PayPal into SpaceX to show how serious he was about this vision. In the beginning, many people didn't think SpaceX could compete with the big names in the space industry. But Musk and his team kept going. They worked on their first rocket called Falcon 1. Musk was really involved in making sure the rocket was built right and worked closely with his team. Even though Falcon 1 faced some problems, it finally worked and went into space in September 2008. This was a big deal because it was the first time a privately funded liquid-fueled rocket made it to orbit. After this success, SpaceX became a big player in the space industry. Building on Falcon 1's success, SpaceX created the Falcon 9, a bigger and more powerful rocket that could carry heavier things. Falcon 9 was special because it could be used more than once, which could make space travel cheaper. Then came the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful rocket when it first launched in February 2018. It showed that SpaceX could do deep space missions and explore Mars. The Falcon rockets helped SpaceX make reusable rocket technology better, making space travel cost less. Musk's big dream for SpaceX is to help people live on Mars. He wants humans to have a lasting home on the red planet and create a community that can take care of itself. To make this dream come true, SpaceX has some big goals. They want to make reusable rockets even better, build a big spaceship called the Starship. It used to be called the Mars Colonial Transporter, and set up a good place to live on Mars. Musk says it's important for people and companies from around the world to work together to make living on Mars a real thing. Elon Musk's dream of people living on Mars which SpaceX is working on, is not just about having a big goal. It's also about inspiring people to believe that we can actually make life on the red planet a reality. Chapter 4: Tesla's role in popularizing electric cars. After doing well with PayPal, Elon Musk started to focus on a new big thing: electric cars. He believed that using energy in a better way was important to fight climate change and ensure a good future for people. He thought electric cars were a great way to reduce pollution and not depend too much on things like oil. In 2004, Elon got involved with Tesla Motors, a small company started by two engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Tesla Motors wanted to make fast and cool electric cars that could compete with regular cars that used gas. Elon liked their idea and put money into the company, becoming its chairman. At first, Tesla Motors wanted to make a special kind of electric car called the Tesla Roadster. This car was meant to show people that electric cars could be fast and fun. Elon's support was crucial for Tesla Motors to succeed in the early days. As Tesla grew, Elon took on the role of CEO in 2008. The first two cars they made, the Roadster and Model S, were important in showing everyone that electric cars could be great. The Roadster, made in 2008, proved that electric cars could be both stylish and powerful. Building on this success, Tesla introduced the Model S in 2012. This car was a fancy electric sedan that set new standards for how electric cars could look and feel. The Model S became very popular and showed that Tesla was a big player in the car world. The Roadster and Model S helped Tesla become known for making electric cars that were not only good for the environment, but also cool and fast. By challenging how things were done and making new technology, Tesla started to change how people think about cars. With the success of the Roadster and Model S, Tesla kept working on making electric cars that more people could afford. In 2017, they made the Model 3, a simpler electric sedan for regular people. The Model 3 became one of the best-selling electric cars in the world, showing that many people wanted electric cars. Then, in 2019, Tesla introduced the Model Y. This was a smaller electric SUV, which is a type of bigger car. The Model Y was made for people who wanted more space in their car. This helped Tesla reach even more people who were interested in electric cars. To meet the demand for electric cars, Tesla spent a lot of money to make more cars and build places where people could charge their cars quickly. They built big factories called gigafactories to make many electric cars and batteries. They also made supercharger stations where people with Tesla cars could quickly charge their cars. Elon Musk and Tesla have made a big impact on getting more people interested in electric cars. By making electric cars that look cool, work well, and are good for the environment, Tesla has helped more people see that using electric cars is a good idea for the future of transportation. Chapter 5: Solarcity and Clean Energy. Elon Musk really cares about finding good ways to get energy. In 2006, he started a company called Solarcity with his cousins, Lyndon and Peter Reeve. Their goal was to make solar energy easier and cheaper for everyone. At first, Solarcity helped people put solar panels on their homes and businesses. They made everything simple, from designing to installing and taking care of it. As Solarcity got bigger, it started doing more than just solar panels. The company also began offering other clean energy things, like batteries to store energy and places to charge electric cars. The idea was to offer lots of different ways for people to use clean energy and help the environment. Elon Musk really wanted to speed up the change to clean, renewable energy and reduce how much we depend on things like oil. Solarcity became a leader in this by giving people easy ways to use solar power. Here are some important things Solarcity did. Solar panels for homes and businesses. Solarcity made it simple for regular people and businesses to have solar panels. They took care of everything, making it easy for people to use solar power.